Herrenknecht direct pipe technology is a newly developed method for the direct installation of prefabricated pipelines in one single step. The technology combines the advantages of the well-established technologies of microtunneling and horizontal directional drilling, or HDD. The essential unit is the pipe thruster, which replaces the jacking frame used in microtunneling as the main thrust unit. The pipe thruster grips the product pipe from outside with its clamping unit without damaging the coating and pushes it into the ground in strokes of 5 meters. In front of the pipeline, an AVM microtunneling machine with a closed slurry circuit is attached. The excavated material is removed from the slurry at the separation plant. The excavation of the ground and the laying of the pipeline take place at the same time. The pipe is thrust forward without the need for the pipe coupling process normally associated with microtunneling. The common steps with HDD for opening and reaming the borehole are also not needed. This leads to higher advance rates with the direct pipe technology. Herrenknecht provides 3 different pipe thruster modules with a maximum push and pull force of 300 to 750 tons. The direct pipe method can be applied in a pipe diameter range of minimum 30 inches to maximum 60 inches. It's possible to adapt the pipe thruster to different pipeline diameters by simply changing the clamping inserts. The following animation shows the application of the direct pipe method in laying a 48-inch gas pipeline with an outer diameter of 1,220 millimeters under a river. The 900-meter-long pipeline is pushed in 3 pipe sections of 300 meters. Depending on the given space conditions on the launch site, the pipeline could also be pushed as a complete piece. The pipe thruster is positioned in a shallow launch pit and is anchored horizontally and vertically. A movable launch seal is fixed onto the front wall of the pit for the prevention of inflow of groundwater and soil into the pit. The microtunneling machine is assembled in front of the launch seal. The front of the pipeline is welded onto the rear of the microtunneling machine. The control container from which the operator is steering the machine, as well as the pipe thruster, is placed beside the launch pit. The whole unit is controlled with the latest technology. The navigation of the machine along the desired drilling alignment is guaranteed by a modern navigation system. The feed and slurry lines, as well as the bentonite lubrication lines, are installed inside the pipeline on rolling support structures. The separation plant is located at a position halfway along the stringed pipe section and is connected over flexible hoses with the slurry lines inside the pipeline. The bentonite lubrication pump is placed beside the separation plant. All electric and data cables are supported through the pipeline and along the outside of the pipeline to the control container. In addition to the installed slurry pump in the machine, an additional pump is installed at the end of the pipe section. The pipeline is carried to the pipe thruster with the permitted bending radius over an adequate slope or ramp. The machine is pushed forward together with the welded pipe section from the pipe thruster through the launch seal into the ground. In strokes of 5 meters, the pipeline is laid under the river. The supply lines of the microtunneling machine are also moved during the pipe jacking procedure. After pushing one pipe section, the next pipe section is lifted onto the pipe rollers and welded to the first pipe section. With each coupling procedure, all supply lines which are placed inside each new pipe section are connected with the previously laid out lines to make a connection between machine, steering container, and separation plant. In this case, a simple pit without special ground support system is built. After having reached the target point, the microtunneling machine is recovered and the connection of the pipeline can be completed. The advantages compared to standard tunneling technologies. One-step installation for the prefabricated and tested pipelines. Short construction time and economical installation process. Appropriate for large pipe diameters, up to 60 inches. No costly and time-consuming shaft construction. Optimum solution for access only from one side, e.g., sea outfalls. With the development of the direct pipe technology and the pipe thruster, Herrenknecht offers a possibility to combine and optimize the two standard tunneling technologies, microtunneling and HDD. The single-level direct pipe technique allows pipelines for gas, oil, and water to be laid faster and more safely than ever before. The prefabricated product pipelines can be installed from one single access side in a space-saving and eco-friendly way. Direct pipe is an innovative alternative for the pipeline industry.